Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. So this tutorial is going to be about Wix, and today I'm going to show you a way to add a gallery or like layout of a gallery, image gallery that you can add. So let's add it. It's called Freestyle. You can just drag this, and here are the same options that you can have from any other gallery. Settings, then once clicked, what happens if it is nothing happens? You can click on nothing happens. So whenever someone clicks, nothing is going to happen. No page or no window is going to happen. Open, then they open in pop-up, then a link opens. So that's you can add. And here these are the layout options: stacked or scattered, and randomized layout. This is how you can use it. You can randomize it. So lot of options basically. Rotate or non-rotate like this. You can also select. Select stacked. Select this. Okay. So what we'll do is now we'll preview it. Okay. And also the design, but here you can also add a border. Let's add a border. Let's see that border appears. Okay, it appears and this outer line of the images basically. So let's preview it. Don't go on my design. Basically, it is just for the tutorial purpose. So I'm not daring to doing it. It is just I'm going to show. I'm showing you. It is done. So let's say these options. Like these are the more options that you can do. Random, override, none. Okay, then okay. So this doesn't have any effect. Basically, it is just to show you, or it is just to show users how it is. So you can use this on the side, but basically this cannot be used on like a many sites. It depends on like a, if the site is a creative based, then you can add this. I hope you get it. Thanks for watching.